And these are our shoes for the day. We have the pink Crocs that I picked up from TJ Maxx. Okay, and this is the outfit. Makeshift belt, black capris, and so pink and black, pink shoes, headbands pink, and we are all matched up. The friendly one, huh? Hello there. Hello there. Oh, somebody's jealous. I must say this mango wine was very, very, very sweet. But if you have not checked out the previous vlog, make sure you do so. So this is how they turned out. They turned out so beautiful. Onion powder and garlic powder on one side. See the inside of them? They look beautiful. Look at that. Now that is a good salmon croquette. However, is that a moth? It is. Man, these moths have been crazy in here. I mean, absolute crazy. Sorry. That was random. Sorry. Gotta be real. But welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May, and this is what we're doing today. Hey girl, hey, and guys too. Welcome, you guys. It is Sunday. I am getting ready to go live, so I am going to be making some salmon tuna croquettes today. Just kind of getting out of the, I mean, not getting out of the habit, not at all, but I've been having salad for like the past 10 days, you know, so I'm sure I'm going to have a salad later, but I wanted to actually make like a meal. So we're going to do salmon tuna croquettes with a little bit of rice and peas, like green peas, and then some brown rice that I have over here. So I have everything all set up. And then you guys remember yesterday when I went to Casa de Fruita? First off, if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. You guys remember yesterday when I went to Casa de Fruita and I stopped and got a green matcha well. And they messed up, so they gave me both. Well, they had put so much ice in it, I was gone for hours, and it was fine. So I said, let's save it. Put it in the fridge when I got home last night, and baby, it's good. And then I'll do like a little mini haul of the stuff that I got from Casa de Fruita today. But I do want to go live, so I'm gonna get started. My salmon croquettes, I want you guys to check out that live for sure. We're gonna do tuna, salmon, cornmeal flour, onions, garlic. We have some kale. When you make salmon croquettes, put something green in it. You can do parsley, you can do cilantro. I'm doing kale. I'm a kale girl. You guys already know that. We got yellow mustard. We got onion powder, garlic powder. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper because we always gotta put, you know, a little pep in our step. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with that. Get this live set up, and then I'll come back and do the haul of yesterday. Man, y'all just don't know what we gotta go through as YouTubers to set, you know, get yourself situated, set your stuff up on live. Like, it's so much you gotta go through. And why is this? See, that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. Hold on, yeah. Some of the stuff that we gotta go through as YouTubers, and I'm small. I do appreciate each and every one's support that does take the time to watch my lives or my videos and actually watch the, watch the ads, because that's how YouTubers get paid. So let's put all that over there. Got us some water, because when you're live, you get so thirsty. All right, so let's go ahead and just give me a second, y'all. Let me get this set up. So we are going to connect our DJI. Perfect. This is a great birthday gift. And it says connected. This is what they look like. Now I gotta do pictures. Y'all just don't understand what goes into these YouTube lives and stuff. So now I gotta do pictures, but we got 5 on here. They look beautiful. Look absolute beautiful. This is for the vlog. This is how the salmon croquettes turned out. They look absolute beautiful. Make sure you check out my live if you have not. Okay? Where are you streaming from? California. Okay, and the video is now loading. Okay guys, now that the live is over, I had almost 2,000 people come on. That makes me feel so good. But I don't think I showed you guys the croquettes. I'm getting ready to take pictures, so that's why I have it. Anyway, so this is how they turned out. They turned out so beautiful. And then I put onion powder and garlic powder on one side. Thumbnail, thumbnail, thumbnail. Anyway, so, and this is how they turned out. You guys can see the inside of them. They look beautiful. Look at that. Now that is a good salmon croquette, baby. Now let's go on and bite it. I already bit it on camera. I just had a half. Very good. I just had them on live. Very good. It's the crunch for me. It's the crunch on the other one on both sides, and then the soft on the inside. I was telling the live that I would make like a little dipping sauce, but I'm being more healthy, so I'm not trying to take in too many calories, and so we won't be making no sauce. Anyway, let's show you guys what we got from Casa de Fruita yesterday. This is what we got. We got some cherries. We didn't get a lot because they didn't look the same as last year or the year before. They were like a beautiful cherry looking color. I mean, dark cherry. And these had a little like cranberry look to them. Get what I'm saying? And I'm used to the ones that are dark because I know when they dark like that, when they like real like dark, I know they are good. So it was $8.99 a pound. This is $10 and something worth because the road trip was great. All right. So, and then I picked up some succulents, but I like this one, that little rose looking thingy. I used to draw these when I was in 7th and 8th grade. Draw these big flowers, so I'm really drawn to that. Okay, got some black beans. It's a crock pot recipe inside. Anyway, these were $1.99. Black beans and rice, brought north from Cuba. This dish is sure to be a family favorite. All right, so we got those. We got us a blow pop, which is a cherry ice blow pop. And y'all supposed to eat this in the car yesterday. I totally forgot. All right, and then we got some microwave popcorn in the Cobb. Also, let's talk about right quick how come they're okay. So there was a lot of stuff there, if you guys seen in the previous vlog, that I was gonna get, like the cantaloupe, because I like dehydrated cantaloupe. But I'm here to tell y'all that I read labels in the back, and when I turned it over, it said traces, it said warning. Pretty much there was a cancer warning on the back of mostly all their stuff, and I was like, so I didn't get it. And I know, I'm glad they put it on there. You know, that's just the way they have it now. Now they have a law where you have to let people know so you don't get in trouble for it, so they don't get in trouble for it later. However, is that a moth? It is. Man, these moths have been crazy in here. I mean, absolute crazy. I cannot, every time I look, there is a moth in here. You gotta go. Like, I don't want them to eat my clothes. Anyway, sorry. That was random. Sorry, gotta be real. But anyway, a lot of people see that stuff on there and they just don't care. They're like, well, you know, they just gotta cover themselves. But when I see stuff like that, I'm like, I'm good. So I didn't get a lot of stuff that I wanted to get. Even the dates with walnuts, those were like $20, which was an overkill, but it had that on the back of there too. So anyway, so I did pick this up because I do like different stuff. So I thought, okay, poppin' Cobb's popcorn, microwave popcorn on the Cobb. They had a white cheddar, they had a dill pickle, they had a regular one, they had a buttery garlic, whatever. So we got this, and I am super excited to see how it turns out. Yeah, you just put it in the microwave, and yeah, what does it say? Place a poppin' Cobb in the bag and fold over the end. Oh, put it in a bag. Okay, so you just put it in the bag and then do the microwave thing. Pretty cool. Curious to see how it's gonna turn out. Anyway, that's enough about that. So, I'm gonna take photos for the thumbnail on the live, and then I'm gonna make a plate. So I'll see you guys in a minute, probably when the plate's done, and then I'll close it out there. One last thing, I forgot to tell you guys that I got some tahini. I like tahini on my watermelon or my fruits, mango, whatever it is. I didn't know they had reduced sodium tahini. So if you don't know that, now you know that there is reduced sodium. For us, you know, older people that, you know, can't handle all that salt, that don't want to have high blood pressure, because I know I don't. I do not want to have that. So I got this as well. Okay, y'all, let's clean. Y'all see my food. Anyway, let's go ahead and get these cherries cleaned. I don't have any white vinegar to clean your fruits and veggies. Because this stuff, you know, so many people touch on it, and then, you know, all the chemicals that they use. Make sure you are, oh, I seen that like bubble up. Look at that. It bubbled up, baby. All right, so that's gonna sit for a while. Get all those chemicals and whatever it is off of there. So let's go ahead and put our vinegar and our baking soda up. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna stop at my son's. Remember that cookie batter, cookies I made the other day? I saved the batter. So we're gonna take that over there. Take him some of the avocados that I got. Did I tell you guys? I don't know if I told you guys. I got 20 avocado, well, it's $24. I only got 10 from a different fruit stand on my road trip. So yeah, $24. Anyway, I'm gonna take him some of those and then stop at Costco and get gas. Take him some of these cuties down here because we have quite a bit of those. It's just me now, so I definitely gotta share. But anyway, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Other than that, have an amazing noon, morning, or night whenever you see this. Happy Sunday. Bye, guys. And let's not forget that I had to also drop off the beaver nuggets that I got when I was at Buc-ee's in Carolina. And here we go with the gas. Just continue to watch, and the video will end soon. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. You are amazing. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful noon or night whenever you're watching this.